Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today I wanted to share a video that I had recorded over a week ago before we went on vacation. And yes, we caught a bug while on vacation, so I am sick. I apologize for the froggy voice, but this video I had recorded before we went on vacation, and I wanted to share with you guys because it's a great idea for last minute Christmas tags or gifts. Also, because we're going to be making this live. So as soon as I am feeling better in about, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, Lord willing, I will be able to create this live with you guys. So you guys need to gather up your supplies, your favorite paper line, and of course your materials, which I will go over here now. And then we will get to do these together. So take a look, get your materials ready, and while you're at it, enjoy a great Florida thunderstorm, and we will play a game at the end. So stay tuned. Here we go. So these are the ones that I have made for the Christmas card swap. They are not a Christmas card in a traditional sense that, you know, it's a card and it opens this way. It is more of a Christmas tag pocket folio thing. And the cool thing is that it is reusable. So that's my whole idea. Every Christmas when I do the swap, I try to think of something that we could reuse if we wanted to, not just something that we're done with after the holidays. So I'll show you here what we've done, and I should say we, not I, because Madison did help me with the design and layout after the live. So we've put triple different colors up here to kind of color coordinate the blues, the reds, and the grays. We've inserted one of the jumbo eyelets that we have in the store. So these are the wide ones. I thought they would look really pretty because they really jump out with that silver. And if you notice, we kept with that shiny silver motif, right? We kind of kept it in those colors. Also here we have added the embellishments and we have made them dimensional. In the front they all have a postcard from the collection. And then we've got a drawer pull. I've added some decorative, oh, sorry, there's a lot of thunder happening. I've added some decorative little pieces here, but of course that's just so that it wouldn't look ugly. The recipient will insert whatever it is that they would like to insert once they've received it. If you notice, I made the paper flowers dimensional as well. And they're all a little bit different. Obviously, they're all handmade, so the flowers are different. And we fussy cut all of this during our live on Friday with everyone in chat helping and keeping us company. So these are all fussy cut from the actual paper line itself. So we made our own ephemera. Wow, that was loud. And also here in the front, like I said, we've added the drawer pull. We've added some dimensional liquid pearls in the silver to create the little studs and brads. And then this right here is wow, that is very loud. Whoa, I'm sorry about that. I'm sure that's loud. Here in the front, it's a pocket, and then the drawer is also a pocket, okay? And I'll explain to you why I kind of done it this way. So then this, you just open it using your drawer pull. And on the inside, you've got a top tuck in which we've inserted our Christmas card, let's call it that way, which is a removable. And of course, this you can just, you know, the recipient can discard after the holidays and they'll still have the beautiful top tuck to use. They're all going to be different. Well, not all, but most of them are going to be different up here as well. We've matted the inside. And then down here, we've created another cluster, which is also a pocket with house and the flowers and a little message. And then the back is also matted. So the idea behind this is that when they are done with this, they can just cut this. You can just grab your trimmer or your guillotine or your scissors and cut this, and then you will get one, you know, piece right here that has all the pockets there and also on the back, and then two, so they'll become two separate pieces that you can do all kinds of stuff with, because here you can journal, you can insert stuff, you could also journal on the back as well. So this will become two separate pieces when it is ready for the recipient to do so. Okay, so let's kind of just go through these really quick and I will show them to you. They're all very similar. They're all done with the same theme in mind. They're all a little bit different because, again, they're all handmade and individual. So I've used different ephemera and placement throughout, but the same gorgeous metal pieces and the same colors. I mean, this paper line is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful to work with. I was so delighted to finally get to use it because I've been dying to use this line forever and I kept putting it off, and finally decided, okay, this is the moment to use it. So I'm glad I did because I love it. I hope you guys do as well. I love that little stamp. It's all very Scandinavian, right? So this video will go up, of course, after I've allowed, oops, sorry, that's just the automated message letting us know that we are having a severe thunderstorm. We're also under tornado watches this morning, so those are rare here in Florida, but they do happen. Look how pretty, and I'm sorry the camera's kind of like washing out the postcards, but they are so beautiful. And again, those will become pockets. There are pockets now, but once you cut them here, you can use them even more so as a pocket, right? I just love the little pulls. Let's get cozy. Okay. And so what we're going to do is, like I was saying, I'm going to wait because these are going out tomorrow. That is the deadline for our Christmas card swap in our Facebook group, which is Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Okay. So if you are not part of the group, you definitely want to jump in and join. But every year we do the Christmas card swap, and it's super fun because you get to choose how many folks you want to swap with, what kind of cards you're making, what kind of cards you're receiving. And I need to probably get off of this electronic. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is a severe thunderstorm all around us. Anyway, these will go out tomorrow, and then I will give it like a few days, and then I will share this video with folks. And then after that, we are going to do a live craft along where we're going to create something very similar to this using our own paper lines. So I had shared that during our Saturday sale, that everyone just needed to, we sold these pieces and these pieces. I should have also asked everybody if they needed some of the eyelets, but hopefully most of our customers and friends and followers already have their own eyelets because we've sold them multiple times in our live sales, and we still have them available in the online store. So if anybody's interested in purchasing the wide eyelets from We Are Memory Keepers, we have them in multi-packs of various colors. You can go check those out. Alrighty, I will see you all very soon, and we will craft along and create these, you know, together here live on our YouTube channel. Madison says bye. We better get out of here. Bye, guys.